Dawaki is a suburb located north of Nigeria's capital city, Abuja. It is under the administration of the Buhari Area Council, BAC, one of the 6 area councils in the Federal Capital Territory, FCT. Dawaki is home to NET Microfinance Bank, one of Nigeria's fastest growing microfinance banks. NET Microfinance Bank was conceived in 2021 following the non-availability of commercial or microfinance banks to cater for the heavy concentration of micro, small and medium-scale enterprises in the area and its neighboring communities. Mr. Kola Idiaro Abdulrazak is the founder and chairman of NET Microfinance Bank.
We have a very big ambition to drive MSME in Nigeria. We are also very ambitious in information technology. We are going to make available digital channels for Nigerian populace. We are going to be issuing our cards. Internet banking is ready. Mobile banking are ready across all channels, both Android and iOS. Our customers are going to enjoy seamless banking experience with us. And we have kept up to date with all regulatory compliances. We have our final approval from CBN to operate as a microfinance bank in Nigeria today. So you also be seeing our POS terminals across businesses in Nigeria. So we plan to drive the business aggressively while keeping up to compliance regulatory.
Saidu Yusuf, the pioneer managing director of the bank, spoke with journalists during the lunch and noted that the bank seeks to provide financial services to the unserved and underserved small business owners in the community.
The micro, small, medium enterprise, we are what? We are at their doorstep. What we are deploying now is we are not ready, we are not only saying we are going to bank you for the MSME. We want them to know this, that we are going to hold them in hand and ensure that what? We guide them, we train them, then we move together with them so that when they have difficulty in whatsoever they are doing, they move along with us. Just imagine, for our bank, we are looking at the unbanked and the underbanked. Why the unbanked is because we have large number of customers or people, prospects that are not being banked. So we want to make sure that from our app, from our system, we recognize them. For the agricultural sector first, we have identified that most issues farmers have, is the input. So in our own system, we are going to ensure that the materials needed, we will provide it. We provide fertilizer, we provide the pesticides.
Meanwhile, the management of the newly launched NET Microfinance Bank has disclosed its plans to provide credit facilities and financial literacy for MSMEs and farmers as it commences operations in the Dawaki community, Abuja.
In terms of their working, yes, their operational and working ethics, they should be very professional and they should be very sincere. Yes, and they should be friendly with the customers. In case of their services, they are majorly IT compliant, is more of internet banking. They have brought banking to your doorsteps. They have brought banking to your homes.
NET Microfinance Bank was established for strategic purposes. The bank is deploying technologies such as mobile apps and mobile networks USSD to provide seamless banking experience and meet customers' expectations.